manufactured sand as an alternative fine aggregate for concrete. It is called as M-sand. M-sand, the global consumption of natural sand is very high due to the extensive use of concrete or mortar. Manufactured sand is a substitute of river sand for concrete construction. River sand, because of the river sand use, the negative effects are there, like depletion of river and the river depth increases, and the scarcity of the resource river sand also there. Therefore, the cost of the river sand also becoming high nowadays. Therefore, for the substitutes, they introduce the manufactured sand. Manufactured sand is produced from hard granite stone by crushing. Not only granite stone, there are whatever used for the aggregate, coarse aggregate production, those materials will be used for the manufactured sand as well. Manufacturing process, rocks or quarry stones are blasted and subjected to series of crushing cycles to reduce the particle size of naturally occurring sand. There are three crushers are used: primary, secondary and tertiary crushers. The produced sand is then sieved and washed to remove fine particles and impurities and tested for various quality aspects. The standards for fine aggregates will be used for the manufactured sand standard as well. Sources of manufactured sand. As I said previously, the rocks used for coarse aggregate production will be used for the manufactured sand as well. The igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks are used. Properties of manufactured sand in concrete. It gives higher strength and higher fines. High fines in the manufactured sand will induce the higher flexural strength, abrasion resistance, high unit weight and lower permeability. It gives high workability to concrete as well. Types of manufactured sand. Concrete manufactured sand as a replacement for river sand or fine aggregates, and pea sand is there, it is for plastering works, and manufactured sand for brickwork. Properties of manufactured sand will be changed according to the source of the manufactured sand, means rocks types and the crushers types used for production of manufactured sand. Advantages by using manufactured sand: it gives higher strength and the durability, provides high workability. If the texture and shapes are good and according to the standard, it provides high workability, and it is well graded because it purposefully made sand. Therefore, the standard, because of the standard and all, it is well graded, and it will the impurities will be removed. Then no presence of impurities like in the river sand. Disadvantages: sometimes the crushed, because of the crushing, the coarser and angular textures will be there. It will lead to more water requirement for expected workability. Manufactured sand contains micro fine particles. Higher fines is okay, but micro fine particles, it will affect the strength and workability, mainly the durability of the concrete. Then it is purposefully made sand, therefore no moisture condition